How to use reddit.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use reddit.com easy fall short guide. So all what you have to do is, after you log into your account and creating your account, you will find this page. This is the home page where you will find posts and videos, as you can see, and you can engage with them by thumbs up, or if you didn't like it, click this. If you like the post, click here. If you want to add comment, click on comments and write any comment like nice, for example, and click comment here and it's added. And if you want to share any post here, just click share here, easy, or copy link. If you want to see your profile, click on the top corner right here and go to profile. This is my profile. And if you want to change your avatar here, just click style avatar. If you want to add new post to your profile, click new post here, and the title, you can write anything here. If you want to see the settings or edit anything, just go to the top corner again and click user settings. Here you will find anything from settings, from changing email, gender, the language also you can change it from here, and the country. You can change anything here. Just go here and search for the things that you want to edit or change. Don't forget to like and subscribe.